Hi friends, this video shows how to record 4K video in autofocus mode using EF-EOS lens and Canon R series camera body. So here in this video, I will be using this EF-EOS 55 to 250 mm lens. This lens I have connected to this Canon EOS R50 mirrorless camera using this EF-EOS R mount adapter. So let me try to record one 4K video in autofocus mode. So let me turn on this camera, then put this in video mode. So then I am going to select this first option or movie auto exposure. Okay, then press this menu button, then movie record size. So here we have two options, 4K standard and 4K light. Let me set 4K light now. Done. Next I am going to record one video. Press this record button here. See, video recording has been started. See, autofocus is working. Okay, so let me stop this recording. Okay, then I am going to play that video. So this is a recorded video, 4K video. So next I will show you the proof. Okay, let me stop this recording, stop this video. Then here let me press this info button, then we can see details of this video. Info button. So info says this is a 4K video. See, this is 4K video, 25 frame per second MB4. Let me press info button again. You can see the lens used, EF-EOS 55 to 250 mm lens. That means using this EF-EOS 55 to 50 mm lens and Canon R50 mirrorless camera, we can record 4K video and in autofocus mode. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.